Hi there, and welcome. Have you ever looked at your iPhone and thought, there's got to be an easier way to use this thing? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm walking you through 7 powerful iPhone tips designed specifically to make your life easier, safer, and a lot more fun. Whether you're new to the world of smartphones or you've had one for years, these tips are guaranteed to level up your iPhone experience. And stick around till the end, because tip number 7 is a total game changer. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a simple but life-changing adjustment, making text bigger and easier to read. We all know how frustrating it can be to squint at tiny words on your screen, right? Here's how you fix that. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Step 3. Look for text size. Tap it and you'll see a slider. Slide it to the right and watch as the text grows larger. If that's not enough, go back and turn on bold text for even more clarity. Now, your messages, emails, and apps are much easier to read. It's like giving your phone a pair of reading glasses. Next up is the magnifier. This feature is an absolute game changer for reading fine print, menus, medicine labels, or even those teeny tiny serial numbers on electronics. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Accessibility, then look for Magnifier. Step 3. Turn it on. Now, to use the magnifier, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center and tap the magnifier icon. Point your camera at whatever you want to read and use the zoom slider to make it larger. It's like carrying a supercharged magnifying glass in your pocket. And the best part? You can even adjust brightness and filters for clearer viewing. No more struggling with small text ever again. Now, this next tip is all about your safety. Your iPhone comes with a built-in emergency SOS feature, and it's something everyone should know how to use. Step 1. Open Settings and tap on Emergency SOS. Step 2. Make sure the option for Call with Side button is turned on. Here's how it works. If you're ever in an emergency, press the side button on your phone 5 times in quick succession. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your iPhone will automatically call emergency services and send your location to your emergency contacts. To set those up, tap Set up Emergency Contacts in the Health app. It's like having a personal lifeline in your pocket, ready to spring into action when you need it most. Let's talk about your home screen. Is it cluttered with apps scattered everywhere? Let's fix that and make everything easy to find. Step 1. Press and hold any app until they start wiggling. Step 2. Drag one app on top of another to create a folder. Name it something simple like Photos or Games. Step 3. Want even faster access to info? Add widgets. Press and hold on your home screen. Tap the plus sign in the top left corner and choose a widget like Weather or Calendar. Now your home screen is neat, organized, and works for you. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one app you need. Did you know your iPhone can double as a scanner? That's right. Forget about bulky machines. You can scan documents right in the Notes app. Step 1. Open the Notes app and create a new note. Step 2. Tap the camera icon and select Scan Documents. Step 3. Hold your phone over the document, and the app will automatically capture it. Adjust the edges if needed and save it. This is perfect for receipts, important papers, or even family recipes. And the best part? You can email or share the scanned document instantly. It's fast, easy, and super handy. Raise your hand if you've ever had your phone die on you at the worst possible time. Yep, we've all been there. But fear not, low power mode is here to save the day. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap on Battery. Step 2. Turn on low power mode. This feature reduces background activity and keeps your battery going longer when you need it most. You can even add it to your control center for quick access. Just swipe down from the top right corner and tap the battery icon. Now you're ready to go all day without worrying about running out of juice. Finally, let's talk about your iPhone's camera. Want to take better photos? Here's a simple trick. Turn on the grid. Step 1. Open Settings and tap on Camera. Step 2. Turn on Grid. The grid helps you line up your shots perfectly, whether it's a family photo or a beautiful landscape. And don't forget Burst Mode. Just hold down the shutter button and your iPhone will take a series of quick photos so you never miss the perfect moment. Pro tip: use Burst Mode for action shots, like kids playing or pets running around. You'll feel like a pro photographer in no time. And there you have it, 7 amazing iPhone tips to make your life easier, safer, and more fun. From customizing your screen to scanning documents and boosting battery life, these tips are guaranteed to take your iPhone experience to the next level. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family who could use these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.